Welcome to H Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all on the front. Everything here is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing a scratch on it at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on them. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the back of the SUV. Alright, I'm not seeing any scratches on the trunk at all, and the back bumper looks perfect. So the driver's side and the back is spotless. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door look perfect here. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on them at all. And now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender has no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's take a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. I'm not seeing anywhere on the seat at all. Let's have a look at the door panel. This door panel looks perfect. Okay, let's move on to the back seat. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also backup and 360 camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that everything here is fine. Perfect. Let's move on to the steering wheel. Everything here, on all of the buttons here look perfect. Also around the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.